Hey everybody, Steve here,
And Val.
and we're doing a product review. It's called the Vesniba G700 by 800. It's an LED zoom military grade tactical flashlight. It's battery operated. It's called, I guess the model is a Shadow Hawk. Price is $828. I can say that for $828, it's not a bad deal. It's made pretty decent. It looks just like that tack light you see advertised on TV.
Give him a close up.
It's one AA battery. Says what it takes. The on-off switch is right here, and it is LED. So that's this is a wide beam, and then it's you can adjust the beam by pulling it out towards you or pulling it away. You can adjust the beam. If you can see that, you see that on me or not, and then you push it down a little bit. So you get a little more direct lighting, and then you can go really wide, which gives you, there you go. So, just give you an idea how bright it is. I'm going to shine it at the camera real quick.
Look away.
There you go. There you go. Alright, sorry to blind y'all. I just want to give you an idea so you can see. It's a good product. I mean, it's metal. It's probably some type of aluminum.
Yeah, it says it's aluminum.
Yeah, it's 100%. It's aluminum. It's 100 brand new, high quality, lifetime, above 10,000 lamp hours. You say 40% compared to the Xeno and Luxine bulb. The adjustable focus range for different range zoom is 1x, 250, 500, 1000, and 2000.
It is waterproof.
It's
water resistant.
Yeah, look at there. Even better yet. It's a 5-mode adjustable brightness, high, mid, low, and strobe. I didn't try that. Let me see if I can find a strobe. I don't know how to get it to strobe. How do you get the strobe, dear?
I don't know. Do you have to turn it? You had the directions on it.
No directions in the box. It says that it's it says that it is. This here, just pushing it like this and out, it just zooms it.
Right.
It says it's 5-mode adjustable brightness. High, low, mid, low, strobe, and SOS. SOS is super bright. It's O-ring sealed, so it says that it's waterproof, water resistant, can be used in any rainy weather, but do not put into the water. So that means you can't stick it into the water.
Not for swimming.
The on-off button switch is provided at the end. It's operated with 4.2 volts. The bulb is a super bright XML T6 LED. It's durable. It's 6061T durable aluminum reflector with smooth reflector face. Max output is 5,000 lumens. maxed when using a 18650 battery. I'm not sure what they're talking about there. Oh, what did I say this takes? Batteries, right? It takes 3 AAA. I'm sorry. I think I said AA. It takes 3 AAA batteries.
Alright.
I misspoke there. Sorry about that. She done lost my page.
No, I just
She's
tried to look up more information.
she's messed me up. I haven't figured out the strobe on it. It says that it's strobe and SOSs, but I don't know how that does it. So,
Well, if we figure it out, we'll add a clip.
and it just unscrews so you can do the bulb. But I don't see where you would need to do the bulb. It's LED. Nope. Well, I don't see a strobe, so it says it does, but I don't see it. Anyway, I'm gonna turn it off here and show you the batteries go in the end, so you can see how that goes. There you go. 3 AA batteries. It is possible that maybe the battery's not working. One of the batteries is not working. That's why we can't get it to strobe.
AAA batteries.
AAA, 3 AAA. What did I say? AA again? Sorry, 3 AAA.
Yeah, they're brand new batteries, so they work.
It's $8.28 on Amazon plus $2 for shipping. Not a bad product. It's made pretty decent. I mean, you'd see for yourself how bright it is. I'm blinding you with it.
Alright, we'll put a link in the description box below if you're interested in checking it out. And thank you for watching.
And Valerie has said she wanted it, so I said I wanted it. So we compromised, and we're gonna keep it in the bedroom in case we lose power. That's where that one will be.
Alrighty. Thank you all for watching.
We're gonna hang it from the ceiling so we can look at it when we go to sleep.
Give us a thumbs up.
Give us 2 thumbs up.
Subscribe if you're not subscribed and you want to. Catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching, everybody.
Bye now.
Bye.